I did Joker.
What?
Yeah. And
How do you do that with Jessica Lange?
you Joker.
Can I not just be a man who is wearing a really great cape?
So I read the book.
That's Billy playing with Michael.
Oh, I like Michael.
Michael, yeah.
I mean, Michael's my,
This is a women's wear jacket, but I'm a man and I'm wearing it, so it's a men's jacket.
I would play a Disney prince. You know, I'd like to play somebody a little bit darker in the Disney world, but I don't think that's going to happen.
Lots of people hate me. I love it. It's going to be okay. And find balance in your life. Enjoy every moment of it, including the trauma and rejection. So here's the thing, I don't normally talk about my looks, I don't normally comment on my looks, I like to keep them open for interpretation, so I've been very consciously and purposely vague about them in the past.
Oh, I love Jim so much.
The story that I'm trying to tell is not one of gender bending, but one of I'm gonna do it my way, and I'm not going to be limited by somebody else's interpretation of the gender of a clothing.
So, I know that doesn't sound very inspiring, but my advice would be get on with it. Do what you want to do, because you got one life.
Yeah.
That's my ring.
There you go.
Oh!
I actually have flown over just to see you.
Oh, well, hello. Avocado.
If you're a woman, you're feminine. If you're a man, you're masculine. And you know what? You have the other in each. So all of the worry about it, just wear what you want to wear. That's it. That's the show.